not too comfortable with that, to be honest. Right then guys, welcome to the channel. So we're going to get straight into it. Basically what I need to do is do some work on my new to me bike on the front end. Now I have a paddock stand, so front and rear paddock stand. However, I am going to be removing the front wheel and the shocks. So ideally a headstock paddock stand would be best solution, but I don't have one. What I'm doing is basically coming up with a really quick, easy, spur of the moment stand, because as usual I'm up against it and I need to get my bike ready for a trip. So this is going to be a simple DIY centre stand, so to speak.